Greetings from Sicily. Happy to see you again. So, first of all, thanks for all your messages. We received a lot of invitation from you. We are really blessed to have this wonderful family of Sicily lovers that want to meet us, and it's unbelievable because we have more friends in the States than in Sicily. So it's really very touching for us. Feel all this love from you, and we can wait to be in the States and enjoy this tour of Florida. Sorry, I'm so excited. I cannot speak anymore in English. It's also our time to improve our English a little bit. I hope so. Gianca, come with me. People want also to see you.
Hello everyone, good morning. Oh my God.
How do you feel?
We are so touched, so excited. We can't wait to leave Sicily, and it's like our dream.
Yes.
Finally, the dream came true, and we can wait to take the airplane just behind the pine in the left. On the left, there is the airport of Palermo. So we will take the flight from Palermo to Rome, and then from Rome to Miami, Florida.
Yes.
And
we will leave Palermo on the morning of January 12th at 6 a.m. So I think we will not sleep, because the flight will leave very early in the morning.
But we don't need to sleep.
No.
We have enough time to sleep in the airplane. So
10 hours and a half.
Yes.
From Rome to Miami.
So Rosella, would you like to share first of all for the few who don't know where we are? We are in our house in Villa Grazia di Carini, on a hill, about 600 feet above sea level. You can see behind us a part of the Gulf of Carini. We are enjoying another beautiful day of winter time. It's a special winter time so far.
Very sunny this winter.
We had a very bad first part of December. November was ugly, as always. So please, if you are planning to visit Sicily, don't come in November, because in the last years, November has been very bad, very windy, and above all, as Rosella said, very rainy. The first part of December was good, was bad. Then we've been enjoying a very good time, good weather from the mid-December till now.
What about the temperature, Gianca?
I checked. Now I studied. we have 15 Celsius degrees. That means about 59, 60 Fahrenheit degrees. As you can see, the sky is very clear, very blue, and the sea is very calm. I don't know if you can
yes,
if you can
see
the. Don't fight! Don't fight! Cats are fighting. Oh my God.
So, it's a beautiful winter season, but we don't know why from January 12th the forecast says that it's going to be rainy. So maybe because Gianca and Rosella leave Sicily and we will bring the sun to Florida.
They already have enough sun. They don't need you to bring the sun in Florida. But out of the joke, we are very, very happy, and we are very proud to share with you the itinerary of our next trip to Florida.
Yeah. Before reading,
it's not only Florida.
No. And please let me say to all the people that want to meet us during this trip that we will try to find other days, evening to meet you.
Yes.
So far we share the itinerary,
Yes.
and then we can find other date to meet you.
Would you like to say something about the Sicily Lovers Tour in Sicily, not in Florida? So we didn't say that we took the opportunity to plan next edition of the Sicily Lovers Tour in 2024, because, as you probably know, the 2023 editions are already sold out.
Yes.
We are very, very happy to say that it's we are very proud because you made our dream come true. So it was like a joke a few years ago. We had the first edition, the only one edition of the Sicily Lovers Tour in 2022. It was a very successful tour, and we planned 2 editions for the 2023. Fortunately, they are sold out. I mean, the June and the September edition. So next year, we planned 3 editions.
Yes.
Would you like to reveal the dates?
Are you ready? Are you ready to save the dates? Because of course we cannot plan our trip before plan your amazing tour of Sicily. So be ready. I'm ready. Ta 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 ta. Check, Gianca, please check on the camera if they can see.
We are late. We are late. There is a little.
Get up and check the camera.
Okay. It's perfect.
It's perfect. Can you read the date?
Yes. So the first edition will be from May 21st to June the 1st. The second edition from June the 4th to June the 15th. And the third edition from September the 18th to September the 30th. So this is the plan. This is the schedule. Actually, we have to manage some little details.
Yeah.
So we will be able to release the detailed schedule once we will get back home, and so you will know all the details of the itinerary, the sales conditions, what's included in the tour. If you want to have an idea of what's included, because we won't change things. Basically, it's the same of the 2023 editions. So if you want to have an idea, more or less, roughly,
yes.
of the tour, of the 2024 tour, you can go to our website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com, and check in the specific page dedicated to the group tours, the 2023 editions. Maybe we will change a little bit in terms of numbers of days, because they are opposite. It's like the reverse compared to the 2023 editions. I mean, the editions in May and June will have 1 day less than the edition in September, but the itinerary more or less is the same. I mean, we will stay 3 nights in Palermo, the capital of Sicily. Then we will go to Cefalù for 2 nights. Then we will go in Ragusa. That's the main difference. One tour. In one tour, we will stay just 1 night in Ragusa. In the other tour, we will stay 2 nights in Ragusa. And then we will go to Ortigia, the beautiful historical center of Syracuse, for 2 nights. And then the last 3 nights in Taormina.
You are right.
So the only difference is the number of nights in Ragusa. The itinerary, more or less, is the same. So you will enjoy the best of Sicily in 10 or 11 days.
And as always, in the most relaxing way possible.
Yeah, this time, so compared to the 2022 edition, you will have more time to enjoy yourself to the ultimate point, so more leisure time. We have included 1 full day at leisure in Taormina, a half day at leisure in Ortigia, a half day in Cefalù, that's one of my favorite places in Sicily, a half day at leisure in Palermo.
Yeah.
So, and you will enjoy the highlights of Sicily, and of course, the best experiences with locals. I mean, food experiences. So you will be invited at 2 chefs' houses. You will have the chocolate tasting, the sausage making and tasting. You will have
the
cheese tasting. You will have
olive oil tasting.
The Fiat 500 ride in Modica. Then you will have
don't reveal everything, Gianca.
The special dinner at the beautiful historical palace in Palermo, with the noble family that will host you. So this is just a little bit, a pinch of the the tour.
So save the date again and be ready to enjoy Sicily with us. Of course, we will be with you the whole time.
Yes.
We will touring with you.
Let me explain one more time.
The difference between a private tour with us and a group tour.
Yes, but I mean, in particular, I mean a difference between a tour guide, a local guide, and owner of a tour company. We are the owners of the tour company. So it will be our big pleasure to be with you. But we don't want to be like a substitute to the local guides. So local guides will be with you every day on site, on the bus, on the motor coach. So we will be like angels. Call us angels, because we will we look forward, as always, to share the great time with you.
Yes.
And let's talk about the Florida tour now.
Just let me say that, of course, if you don't want to join a small group of Sicily, you can always ask us to plan a custom private tour of Sicily, of course. So best things to do in Sicily.com is the place where you can contact us.
I forgot to mention something really important. You rightly said this is a group tour, but this is reserved for 20 Sicily lovers.
Yes.
No more than 20 Sicily lovers for each tour.
Yes.
It's a group tour. So, I mean, you will be grouped with other beautiful people like you, of course.
Sicily lovers. You.
But if you want us to plan for you a private tour of Sicily, we can tailor, we can personalize, we can customize your own tour of Sicily, and it will be a private tour of Sicily. And it will be possible all year round.
Yes, that's why the 2 editions of the Sicily 2023 are already sold out, because they are only for 20 people.
Yes.
And so save your spot now, because of course only few spots.
You mean the 2024?
Yes.
Because the 2023 editions are sold out.
Already sold out.
Okay. So if you want, you can send a message to ask us to put you in a sort of special list, not a waiting list.
No.
It's like a reservation list.
Yes.
So we can give you the opportunity to have to be included in a sort of priority list.
Yes.
Okay,
What about our email?
It's the same. You can contact us at info@bestthingstodoinsicily.com. It's the same name of the website, of our Facebook page, of the other channel that I can say because Mr. Zuckerberg will close the channel. You know, there is a sort of competition. They fight each other, and I don't want to say it. It's the red channel. You know, the red channel. It's very, very popular. This is the blue channel. There is a competition. Let's talk about the Florida tour.
Yes, because we will try to meet you. You are so many Sicily lovers, and we are very grateful to this wonderful family, but it's hard to meet everyone. So let's try to do this. We will share with you our itinerary. So we will land in Miami airport at 4:20 p.m. on January 12th. Then we will pick up our rental car and we will go to South Beach, where we took our hotel accommodation.
Right.
Then January 13. We will visit South Beach and the Art Deco district. And then, if you want to meet us, we have a reservation for dinner at Joe's Stone Crab at 9:30 p.m. Thanks to our friend Peter. So thanks
Peter
Peter
Confalone.
Yes,
Oh,
thank
sorry.
you. Thank you for making this reservation. And after the dinner, we are free. So if you want to stay with us to drink something in South Beach, just let us know because we will be there in South Beach.
Stop. I'm just reading. I know that it's not correct to break your
you can.
speech, but I received many messages. Let's start with Len Nealon. It's his 60th birthday today.
Wow!
Happy birthday, Len!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! And let me say hello to Greg Criniti and San Filippo. Mwah! Good morning from Sicily.
We love you!
Sorry, Rosella, you can go home.
No. So, January 13, we are free to meet you. Just let us know. Then, Saturday 14, we will visit Miami downtown, Little Havana. We have a tour in the late morning, and then the afternoon and the evening we are free in Miami downtown. So if you want to meet us for a drink, just send a message and we will try to meet you. Then on Sunday, January 15, we will travel. Gianca will drive. I hope he can drive in Florida. Let's see.
Why not?
If you can drive in Sicily, you can drive everywhere. So
well said. Well
I trust Gianca, don't worry. So we will travel to Marco Island.
Yes.
And then Naples Beach, and we will spend the night in Siesta Key, Sarasota.
Yes.
So the day after, it's January 16, we will spend the day at Siesta Key Beach. And then it's my big pleasure meeting my cousin in Venice to have a dinner together. Because, you know, I have a lot of relatives in the States. And so I'm very happy to meet for the first time my cousin in Venice. It's unbelievable because she lives in Chicago, but she also owns a house in Venice. So it's a beautiful surprise for me.
What's your cousin name?
Jeannie.
Jeannie.
I can't wait to hug you for the first time. So unbelievable. So excited about this. Then the overnight again in Siesta Key. So, Thursday, January...
Tuesday.
Why you don't read if you are better than me?
Tuesday.
Okay, January 17.
The 17th, yes.
We will move to Tampa.
Yes. We will
Because-
meet our special friend Liz.
No,
No?
we will
Not
take
yet.
the cruise.
Not
Gianca.
yet.
Not
No,
yet.
because Liz wants to meet you.
No, at the
Want
end
to-
of the cruise.
No,
Gianca.
no, also before.
Also
before.
So, but it's time to take what? Our cruise, Gianca.
Our cruise to the South Caribbean. Yes.
Do you remember
But
that?
I'm pretty sure that Leeds will be there before we leave, because I know it's so beautiful for Leeds to meet you. Also for a how do you say a short time,
It will
just
be-
to say happy cruise.
So, from January 17 to January 28, we will be on cruise. So, bye bye, Florida.
bye bye, just for a while.
Just for a
A
while.
little parenthesis. For those who are curious to know what we will explore, we will go to Florida Keys, we will go to Dominican Republic. I know the itinerary, I studied.
Oh, you studied.
Then we will go to the St. Thomas,
Oh,
the
right.
American Virgin Islands. Then we will go to the south of the Dutch Caribbean islands. That means Aruba and Curacao.
Bravo.
And then we'll get back to Florida, passing through the Caymans Islands.
Georgetown.
It will be the last step. And on January 28th,
Yes.
Leeds will be there for sure to greet us in the cruise terminal, in Tampa's cruise terminal.
Yes.
And we will go
To Palmebur, to Leeds House.
her house in Palmebur. We will explore the surroundings of Gloverland.
No. Later, Gianca. Before.
Sorry. Yes. First, yeah. I'm sorry. First, we have to explore the surroundings of Tampa.
Yes.
So Clearwater.
Clearwater Beach on January 2019. On January 30, we will visit Honeymoon Island and Caladesi Island.
Yes.
Then, on January 31, it's time to start the visit of the theme parks.
The beautiful parks around Orlando.
Yes, so the first one, it will be Animal Kingdom.
Yes.
And
In the night, we will meet another special friends of us, Dana and John Naples.
They will host us.
Naples.
Naples,
Naples. They will host us, and the day after, we will be in.
We will visit Epcot on February the 1st.
The first.
Then February the 2nd is a special day.
It will be my birthday, and I will take the opportunity to spend my birthday with beautiful people,
Yes.
like the Naples and their friends. I know they are preparing something special for me. We will be in the area of Orlando. Then the day after, we will go again to the Disney Magic Kingdom.
And it's February the 3rd.
The third.
Then February 4.
We will leave Orlando, we will leave Gloverland,
Yes.
and we will meet another friend of us,
John Mercurio.
John Mercurio in Vero Beach.
In Vero Beach or Palm Beach, let's see. And we will spend the night in Fort.
I don't know the right pronunciation. Fort Lauderdale? Something like that.
It's impossible for me to pronounce it this way.
Lauderdale?
Fort Lauderdale.
Or it's very hard for us.
Then on February 5,
we are at the end of the vacation.
yes, we will depart from Miami at 8 p.m. So we will spend the morning on the beach. We hope to spend the morning on the beach if the weather will be okay. And on February 6, we will be again in Palermo. We will land at 2:30 p.m. So write in the comments if we are a good trip planner also in Florida. And what about Jeannie?
Jeannie.
Will stay with the grandmother.
Jeannie is a little bit sad
Oh,
for two
Jeannie.
reasons.
Yeah.
She had a little problem with the teeth. She missed some teeth, and the second problem that she will miss her dad and her mom for a month.
Yeah.
Are you sorry?
Oh, Jeannie, we don't want to leave you, but we also want to meet our Sicily Lovers family, Jeannie. Don't be sad. We love you. We try to make video calls to see how she will be. Oh.
She's a sort of daughter for us. Oh my God.
But it's unbelievable. We have to manage so many things before our departure, and we have only a few days because.
I think one day will be dedicated to the making of the luggage.
Yes, if you have any tips about the luggage, please write.
In particular, Rosella, because I'm very, very quick. Very.
Every time you say the
easy.
same thing, it's not true.
I only need a few T-shirts and a couple of swimwears. I'm not.
The Sicily Lovers T-shirt. Don't forget the Sicily Lover. I want to have also my Sicily Lover flag to put everywhere.
Yes.
And take picture everywhere with the Sicily Lovers flag.
Then I have to collect all my electronic stuff, course, lenses, tripods, cameras.
Don't talk about camera. Please.
Don't talk about camera. I just broke a camera lens. I don't know. It was a mess, and now I'm going to buy another one. And since it's late to get the lens here in Sicily, I'm going to ship the lens directly to Florida.
Unbelievable, guys!
It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable.
Only a few days before the departing, it's unbelievable. No, because
don't say it. Forget it. Something that can happen, but let's talk about your problems with the luggage.
No, my problem is that it's the first cruise for us. So if you want to share with us your...
But I don't care about the cruise.
No?
I care about the weather in Florida because I know that the weather is okay, it's good, but it could be a little bit cold in the night. So cold for us, of course.
Maybe we need a jacket.
So I have a doubt. If I have to bring a jacket, in particular for the night, I think so.
Can we swim?
Yes.
In clear water,
no
in
doubt.
the South Beach, what about the water temperature?
It's good. I checked. It's about 25 Celsius degrees. So I don't know in Fahrenheit, but it's enough to swim. At least for me, because I swim in Sicily also in May, in October, and sometimes in November, so I have no problem. Rosella is the one who always complains with the sea temperature. Oh, it's cold. Also in August, it's cold. I don't care about Rosella because I'm like a fish. I will jump very soon. Everywhere I go, I will jump. I will dive. And Rosella, I don't care. Perhaps she will make friendship. She will make new friends in the boat. But I will be super happy to swim, even if the temperature, the sea temperature, is not really warm. But I'm pretty sure it's warm enough.
Yeah.
The other problem. What's the other problem? The luggage. Then we have.
We already have the travel insurance and the health insurance. We are printing all the
documents.
The documents. Yes, I have no problem because I have the American passport. So maybe Gianca.
This is a legend. They say she's American. They say this is what they say. They say she's got an American citizenship. She's got a American passport. This is what they say. I forget it. The last time we went to America, to the States, actually she passed through the corridor, the channel reserved to the American citizens.
This is a gift from my...
I don't remember. I only remember that they said, "Oh, welcome back home, Mrs. Campagna." It was the first time she went to the United States. It's very weird. Welcome back home.
And what else? Let's see.
And the first hard point is that I'm very, very worried about the long time I will be out of the office.
Oh my God!
Because I'm receiving a lot of inquiries for private tours of Sicily, and I'm still managing a lot of tours of Sicily for this year, for 2023. In particular, we have to finalize some details for people who book the tour with us. So I hope to finalize everything before leaving Sicily in 3 days.
This will be our biggest challenge.
And
finish everything.
The really biggest challenge will be when we get back home to open the computer and check all the emails. That I'm pretty sure we will be late.
Shock.
We will be late.
Yes.
Because we will have to reply everyone, and so. But I don't want to think about it. We have to enjoy our vacation now. So.
Yeah. And we are open to everybody and everything.
Yes. So in the meantime, we will perhaps the best thing we can do is to share the itinerary,
yes.
in a comment below, and
yes.
So you can check the dates that suits you the best, and you can try to plan a meeting with us.
Yes. For example, we will meet people in Animal Kingdom.
Yes.
So it could be nice also if you want to join us. Let's see. And also don't forget to save the date. Sicily Lovers Tour 2024 editions.
This will be one of the first things I will do once I get back home.
Yes.
I will manage. I will plan all details of the 2024 editions, because we received about 4 or 5 different inquiries from people who want to join us on these tours, and we have to finalize everything, just to be sure that people know exactly what they will do, what to expect in Sicily during this
experience.
Yes.
And now maybe it's time to go back to work.
Yes.
Because we have to do so many things.
In the meantime, the sun went over the mountain.
Yeah, perfect.
So are you ready to say hello?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm ready.
I take the camera.
See you from Palermo Airport on the morning of January 12 to say you ciao ciao, we are leaving Sicily.
Okay. Rosella, say bye-bye.
So it's time to say bye-bye from Sicily. So, love, hugs and kisses from Sicily.
Hello everyone, bye-bye.
See you in
very soon in Florida.
Ciao, ciao, ciao.